Hello friends, welcome back in this session. So in our previous DevOps project, we have seen the how we can build the Java microservice project, and it basically deploy the Docker image to the hub.docker.com. So here we have modified some steps for the publishing the Docker image, not to the hub, but we want to publish the Docker image to our Artifactory server. So we will use here Artifactory server as a JFrog Artifactory, and how that is pushed to the Artifactory server, that we'll see here in this complete session. So this Artifactory server, here we have configured Docker local repository, and for Docker local repository we will push our simple ping manager service. And to set up the Docker local server repository, you just have to go to the setup me, and you have to configure this JSON part to your system, where it will do the authentication with your JFrog Artifactory. So once you have configured, you can simply run your login command. Let me show you. So I'm just running the login command. So this will do the login to the your repository. So this is logging to the JFrog Artifactory repository. Let's come back to the our Jenkins part. So what we are running here in Jenkins part, we simply run the make post make build. We will do simply the make publish. So make publish do. Let me rerun this project here. So see, make build, it is already there, so that's why it's skip. Make publish will be push your image to your Artifactory server. You can see here. So it did the login event, then it tagging your command, and then it will push your repository to the your JFrog Artifactory. So this repository push has been completed. Let's see here whether repository has been pushed or not. Let me refresh here. So you can see it's pushed here properly. Now let's see what we have changed in a code base which push your repository to here. So in makefile we have changed from the Docker hub commands to the local repository. So we have changed the login command. This is the first login command. Second is it's making the tagging with image, which we have used, and the third one is the post. It is the same command, but here the login is changed, and this will push the with this command to the image we are passing as the image name and division number. So image name is passing with this variable, and division number passing using the this variable. So this is very simple commands, and make publish will use for the pushing our image to the your Artifactory server. So implicitly it will do the login, tag, and push. So in your DevOps project, if you require the same image for configuring the next steps, you can use the same image for the pull command, and the pull use the same command. Let me show you here. So the pull is the same command, almost same with the your push command. So it's to the push and repository name and tag, and here we are pulling the from the same repository configured in artifact, and here we have to give the repository name and the tag. So you can use the pull for fetching the image rstore in the JFrog Artifactory server, and you can use that image for your configuration next step. So this all about how we can configure the JFrog Artifactory with the Docker image repository, and how we can push from your local Jenkins server to the Docker local Jenkins servers from local Jenkins server and pushing to the Artifactory server, and it's completely end-to-end with the Docker image.